Alright guys, this is yet again a final video project I just finished today. This was a tear out of an old tub and old fiberglass surround, and a new install of a tub, new toilet, new porcelain floor, new porcelain surround. Just redone the ceiling in the way of just painting it, put a new exhaust fan. Took the molding down and cut it to fit here on the corners, both sides. And so we did reinstall the crown molding, painted the walls, installed light fixture, new mirror, new vanity, painted the back side of the door white to match the interior. But all in all, it turned out really nice. Clients are happy, I'm pleased. If you folks have any other projects around your home or office that you need help with, just give me a call. You know how to reach me. Thanks for following along. If you will, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button. If you're not a member of YouTube, it's free. It doesn't cost you a dime. And that way, anytime you subscribe to something, you can keep a list of things you follow. And following me along and subscribing to my channel only helps me to reach other people that are searching for this kind of content. You know, bathroom remodels, that kind of thing. Whether it be in the area or internationally, it doesn't really matter. But I appreciate you folks following along, and if you will, just give me a like, share this with your friends, and leave a nice comment if you have one. Appreciate it. Y'all have a good day.